So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm gonna discuss with you what is credit card frauds. So let's start the discussion without any delay. So when we talk about credit card frauds, these frauds are committed when one person uses the credit card of another person unauthorizedly to obtain goods of value. He is said to have committed credit card fraud against the other person. For example, in 2003 in Mumbai, Amit Tiwari, a person named Amit Tiwari, 21-year-old, engineering student, was arrested for using too many names, for having too many bank accounts, and too many clients, all false, managed to defraud a Mumbai-based credit card company, CC Avenue, of around 9 lakh rupees. And these cases, this case brought to the notice of the authorities that credit card frauds have not been recognized by the Information Technology Act of 2000, the loophole in the law has caused a great loss to the economy, to the company as well. As per the report released by the Economic Times, it was found that over 900 cases of credit or debit cards and internet banking have been registered during the period of April to September of 2018. All these cases involved an amount of 1 lakh rupees and above. Minister of State for Electronics and IT of 2018, SS Ahluwalia, informed that the Reserve Bank of India by 30th of September 2018 had registered a total of 921 cases of credit or debit card fraud in India. And in 2017, a Metropolitan Magistrate or MM became a victim of credit card fraud, where the victim received two messages for two transactions done from his debit card, not in India but abroad. The victim claimed that those transactions did not have his consent. A complaint of cheating under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code was being filed. So that's all about our discussion. See you in the next video with some more information.